Hello world. So today I'm gonna do for you another bump box unboxing. I got the 6 month subscription, which is $216, which ends up being $36 a box, and I have done one unboxing so far, but I'm pretty sure this is like my fourth box. I'm really bad at filming these. I just get really excited about them, and I don't actually film it. I just tear it open, and then I can't find half the stuff because it's, in with my other products and all that jazz. So I'm going to record this one, and as you know, that's how it looks. And right on top here we have our list of goodies. I'll post these with the description in the video. Like I said, this particular box is $36 when you break down the 6 month subscription, but it has $76.92 worth of merchandise in it. And I seriously love these boxes. I'm really glad that I subscribed to them. I've done a lot of subscription boxes where there are a couple cool things and a bunch of stuff you don't really want. So I'm really happy that this turned out. The little card here says, "You are one strong mama," which it's got a little inspirational message every time. A little advertisement for Bitsy Box. I don't know if I'm going to be doing that, but it sounds really adorable for people who have a little extra cash and want to get some cute baby stuff. First thing on top here, Abby and Finn 12-pack of wipes. They're vegan, cruelty-free, paraben-free, alcohol-free, and oil-free, hypoallergenic. So, has chamomile extract, cucumber extract. I bet these smell. I'm going to actually open this up and smell one. If I can figure out how to open it, because I bet they freaking smell amazing. They actually literally smell like nothing. That's so weird. Yeah, they smell like nothing, which is really surprising because I figured with chamomile, cucumber, oat, marshmallow that they'd smell really good, but oh well, they're good for skin. So if you have a super sensitive baby, that'd be nice to have around. And then we've got Abby and Finn, size 1, ultra soft, eco-conscious premium diapers. And it looks like there are, how many are in here? 8 diapers, and they're really cute little patterns there. That's pretty cool. That's, normally with these samples, you get like maybe 1 or 2. Ooh, I'm pretty excited about this. This is an Aden Anais Swaddle blanket. And it's got a really cute pattern. Ooh, it's the muslin blankets. I am so excited about these. I've heard great reviews from other YouTube mamas on these, and I'm really excited to have one. It's got a nice neutral star pattern there. This thing is huge. And it's nice and thin and airy. Like, woohoo! Swaddle blanket. Yay! Radically rejuvenating facial toner from Acure. Purity Performance Plant Science. Another full-size product there. So I am getting up there. I've only got 9 weeks left. Things like these I put them on every single day. So I'm running out of my Burt's Bees tummy butter. I'm going to be needing some new stuff here. This is some Stretch Mark body oil, which is awesome because I'm getting to the point where if I'm going to get stretch marks, they're going to start happening very soon here. And so keep my stretched skin from stretch marking. Cool, that's interesting. Coffee face scrub exfoliating. So it's got a natural exfoliator in it. For a face product, that is probably a full sizer. And this is one of the reasons I love these bump boxes. These come with the best coupons ever. So the package of diapers I got, this is a 25% off, if you want to subscribe to a monthly doohickey of those diapers, with a bump box promo code. But these coupons are awesome. They're always really good, and they don't have an expiration date on them, which is really nice because I save these all up in a little baggie, and I make sure to pay attention to expiration dates. But I have a bag just chock full of all these coupons so that once I have had my baby shower or once the baby has come, periodically throughout prepping and learning how to mom, I can go through and grab these coupons if I need them or want them. But they're all really, really great coupons. We've got $50 off canopycouture.com. And I live in a really rural area, so we don't have these stores around here. I'm sure that you can use them in store too. Let's see, is there any super common stores here? $40 at nursingpillow.com. There's just a whole bunch of really awesome coupons. Let's see what else there is. Okay. So this says the Ubbi collections, UBBI. Oh, this is a changing mat. Cool. So this little dude you can fold up and put in your diaper bag. It folds up really slim and flat. It doesn't take up more than like a small notebook would. And then it folds out for you to have a changing mat because obviously I don't have a baby right now, but I feel like every time you take your baby into a public restroom to use one of those public changing tables, you're probably a little grossed out. I don't know. I wouldn't really want my baby to lay directly on that. I don't know how clean the last person was. And that is my bump box for this month. I hope you enjoyed all of my fun things. I am going to go and check out some of these products and put these in my tote to bust open when baby comes. Thanks. Bye.